Hey, another late night. We're getting ready to pick up another project. About 8 o'clock here. Got the trailer all ready to go. Just charging up the winch, filling up the air pressure. Early morning tomorrow. We'll see you then. See you in the morning. Hey y'all, we got about 120-mile drive ahead of us this morning. It's going to be a hot one here in East Texas. Switching it up a little bit, going to look at a classic. Knowing me, of course, it's going to get an LS in it. Already got a 480 on the ground, I'll show you that later. Already got a converter, already got a cam. Although I might not run it, we'll see. Put your thoughts down in the comments, Sloppy Stage 2 cam. And yeah, let's go see how this car looks. We'll be back. So here's the deal. He's going to pull the motor, and then I've got the roller. It comes with an LQ4. All the body panels, all the stuff. 373 posi. All right, day 2, going to pick up the Camaro. Took a look at it and decided that I don't want the Chevy small block and the Turbo 350. He did, so we made a deal that made everyone happy. I picked up an LQ4 for him. So now we're gonna go pick it up as a roller and bring it back to the shop. I've got the bumper pieces, the rear spoiler. Got all the trim, interior. Got the door handles. The other part of the combo deal, good old LQ4, 6 liters of goodness. What I didn't mention is this came out of a 2000 Spix 3/4 ton, which means it's got 24X, Gen 4 rods, floating pins. Pretty good deal. There's everything else I have for the car right now. So there you have it. Back to the Caprice work. We'll leave you with a couple final photos of the car in its current state. This will be a fun project. We're going to go with a Pro Tour style build. Try to do a little bit of retro mod, if you will. Pretty happy with this purchase. Unfortunately, it's going to be on ice until I finish the Caprice. Let me know in the comments what you think, what I should do for color and everything. More to come. Don't forget to tune in.